2 teams, blue and silver. We'll travel over the rough terrain. The first one to arrive will be deemed the winner.
Hey, hold on a sec.
Off to a rough start?
There's 2 of us and only 1 of you.
Once you get there, make sure
Jared?
you keep the blue silver.
Hello?
Good luck.
Jared.
You guys lost?
Yes.
Yeah, you're lost. You're right here. You see, there's like a cow skull or something on the end of the fence post. You can't miss it. It's been there forever. Go down that road for a little bit, and you're gonna see like a big lake or a pond.
Okay, big lake or
Big lake is big, but it's right by one of the cacti. You can't miss. There's a lot of cacti out here, and this one looks like a dude. When you get down to the end, that's when you're gonna be exactly where you want to be, and you're gonna take a right or a left, depending on where you're going. Whoa!
What? Circle back around for some snacks?
Let's hit the road, buddy. Come on. Looks like you guys ran into some trouble. You made it.
Master of the terrain back there is making me skittish.
Oh, the same old Greg.
How did you make it without a spotter?
Like this. Let's see what Greg's up to. Look who's finally joining us.
Congrats.
Hey, there he is.
Yeah.
Drinks are on you, buddy.
What else is new?
Yeah.
Are you ready to head back?
We're ready to head back.
We?
Yep.
I was my co-pilot?
Yep. So we'll see you down there. All right, good luck.
Wait, how do we get back to the road?
Like this.
That is so cool. We did not have that in ours, that's for sure.
See your local authorized Alpine dealer to get restyled today.